Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get 1099 INT from PNC Bank. First, unlock your phone and open the PNC mobile app. Enter your login details such as your user ID and password. Once you are logged in, you will see your account overview on the home screen. From here, look for the option called More. This is usually located at the top left corner of the screen. Tap on More to open additional options. Now scroll through the menu until you find Documents or Documents and Statements. Tap on this section to continue. This is where PNC stores your statements and tax forms. Next, look for a category labeled Tax Documents. Tap on it to view all available tax forms linked to your account. You should see your 1099 INT listed here along with the year it was issued. Tap on the 1099 INT form to open it. The document will appear as a PDF file. Take a moment to review the details to ensure everything is correct. If you need to save it, look for the download or share icon on your screen. You can save the file to your phone, email it to yourself, or print it if needed. If you do not see your form, make sure you are checking the correct year or contact customer support for assistance. Thanks for watching.